Okay, guys, welcome to the Erawan Cave. This is a very cool place, but very hard to get to. I do have a blog post on this as well, link in the video description, has a bunch of pictures in it and more information. This is inside the cave. It's really nice in here, but you gotta earn it. It is a long walk, a lot of stairs. It's all straight up stairs, concrete stairs. Very uneven. Every step is different. Makes it a challenge. You gotta earn this one, that's for sure. But well worth the effort. Let's go up.
บนยกข้างล่างก็ได้แต่มักเป็นยกปืน
Look at the kids.
สองข้างมาเสียบลำบากอีก
Look at the pigs.
เขาเจ้ามาเจ้า
These are not real, though.
เบิ่งสวยมากๆเนาะ
Oh, that looks like a lot of stairs.
นะครับเนาะเบิกหลานห้อง
Every step is different, you see that?
Remember that first flight of stairs? That was only the first 10%. This is the last push. Do believe it's right there. They do have a lot of these gazebo sala places here to stop and take a break. And when you sit down, you get the wind. Nice little breeze going through here. It's a lot harder than it looks, let me tell you. Don't fall down, dude, that'll hurt. The thing is, now it's a giant cave, and everybody that went in disappeared. And it goes down. It's big, huh? Well, somebody's coming back up. Going down is not bad, but you gotta come back up. Make you wonder, how did this get here? You know, you think, oh, helicopter. How did they get it in? It is huge, yeah? Amazing. I sound like a bat. I'm sure it is. All right. Come this far. Should be out of the sun now anyway. It's a very long way down. And it's just a wee bit dark. The camera can see better than I can. This is amazing. Wow. And not nearly as dark now. I took off my sunglasses. Oops. Wow. This is amazing, huh? There's more. Wow. Can't imagine if you fell through that.
Yeah. Good, good.
Good, good, good.
Yeah. I check.
You wanna see my camera? There you go.
โอ้โห
Sorry, no?
โอ้สวย โอ้ พูดไทยได้ เฮ้ย พูดไทยได้ป่ะ โอ้ สวย
And that's it, guys. What a cool place. But wow, it's ever hard to get to. On the way down, I plan on taking some pictures and see the stairs and the view and all that stuff. I'll put those in the blog post. Should be worth looking at, I think. I'm tired. I figured I'd finish the video here just in case I don't make it down the mountain. It's insanely hot. The sweat is just pouring off of me now. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Link to the blog post will be in the video description. If you're in the area, this is one it's worth making the effort for, that's for sure. Those are the people that I passed coming up the mountain. Multiple times, I believe. I stopped quite a few times on the way up, that's for sure. And now it's hotter. It's right around 12, 1 o'clock. It's bright. Look at that. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.